actually had a stall on the market outside from the 80s to sort of, well, really 30 years. As soon as this area's got better shops, better variety, better stalls, people will come flooding back. Things that are happening elsewhere outside the Blue, we need them to happen here because it's success elsewhere, so it can work here as well. And more diverse shops, you know, good wine bars, restaurants, coffee shops, more footfall. So more people coming down here, different range of restaurants. If you build it, they will come.